Mastering the ACT. Dive into dates and registration. Hello, English learners. Today, we're exploring a crucial step in your academic journey if you're planning to study in the United States: the ACT test dates and registration process. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of when and how to register for this significant exam. So, let's get started. Before diving into dates and registration, it's essential to know what the ACT is. The ACT is a standardized test used for college admissions in the United States. It assesses a student's readiness for college and provides colleges with a common data point that can be used to compare all applicants. Choosing the right test date is crucial. It gives you ample time for preparation and ensures that your scores will be available when college applications are due. Timing is everything. Typically, the ACT is offered 7 times a year, but the exact number may vary. The ACT usually offers test dates in September, October, December, February, April, June, July. Remember, not all test centers are open on all testing dates, so you'll need to verify the availability for your desired location. Let's break down the steps. 1. Create an account. First and foremost, head to the official ACT website and create an account. 2. Choose a date and location. Once you've set up your account, you can pick your desired test date and find a nearby testing center. 3. Fill out the registration form. This form will ask for personal details, high school courses, grades, and other pertinent information. 4. Payment. The registration isn't complete until you pay the fee. Payment methods usually include credit cards or other online payment systems. 5. Prepare for test day. After registration, start preparing. The ACT will send an admission ticket with all the details you need for the test day. Note: be aware of registration deadlines. Registering late may result in additional fees. If you have any disabilities or require special accommodations, make sure to indicate this during the registration process. The ACT team is dedicated to ensuring that all students have an equal opportunity to showcase their skills and knowledge. And that wraps up our quick guide to ACT test dates and the registration process. Remember, preparation is the key to doing well on the ACT. By understanding and following the registration process, you're setting yourself up for success. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you all the best on your ACT and future academic endeavors.